Hi everyone! Welcome back to Kameroo. So let's dive directly into our today's video. Recently, I got this journal. Simple, basic. The pages are good quality, but the only problem is this cover. I'm not a big fan of this cover page, the color combination and all. So I had to paint this. That's what we are doing today. Painting on this journal's cover. I'm gonna try to keep it sweet and simple. Okay, first things first, let's create the background, plain black, painting the entire front and back cover with black acrylic paint. Let it dry completely. So since I want it simple and I also haven't tried my hands on small patterns and designs, I am going for a mandala art. Using this green acrylic, a toothpick and paintbrush, let's start with our design. Well, it really helps to use a toothpick for minor details as it helps to maintain same thickness. Slowly and steadily, I'll paint patterns over and over. Go on, feel free and derive your own unique mandala design using patterns of your choice. Have fun doing this. Well, while I'm doing this, let me tell you an interesting fact about mandala arts. According to psychologist Carl Jung, mandala represents self, and that drawing a mandala gives a person a sacred space to meet true self. That's why mandalas are even considered an effective form of art therapy, helping to calm and comfort people struggling with mental health issues. So, if you feel confused, disturbed, or raged, sit straight, grab a pen and paper, and let your emotions calm down in the form of mandala patterns. So basically, creating a mandala design on my journal, which I'll probably see and write into almost after every 4 hours, is beneficial to keep my mind balanced. I have a habit of writing journals from a long time now. It helps me to let my feelings out on the paper rather than people. So tell me, do you write journals? Well, another interesting fact or a psychological fact about today's video is using this green color for our design. Green represents new beginnings and growth, hope, wealth, comfort, responsibility, and forgiveness. So, consciously or unconsciously, whenever I look at my journal, these emotions will try to flourish inside my head, making me to feel a bit positive. A lot for one day? Okay, so this is it. Mandalas are easy, fun, and interesting to play with. I love them. Do give it a try. And look how beautiful my journal looks now. I also added a small phrase cause why not? Anyways, hope you all loved this video. Thank you for staying with me. Hit the like button if you liked my today's artwork and stay tuned for further videos. Bye bye.